What's up, guys? This is part 2 of the unboxing of the Iron Man mask. As you see that, it's right here. It has a very big head of it. So this is definitely going to fit my head, but I have to adjust it. I don't know if I've said that too many times. Alright. Well, let's just get into the part that we're doing on last time. So last time we were trying to open up the thing for this switch and trying to find the right screw for this. Wait, what kind of screw? Small. I don't know what this is called. I forgot what this thing called. One time I need small screw. I never find it. I see it like every time I pull on a screw. It's like that one screwdriver, like small Phillips. This I can't. Let's see if this even works. I hope this works. I can't even get a big boy into this. I don't even remember how to unscrew. Now I'm gonna be this thing. I might actually have to turn this upside down to find the right one for this. I think it's in here. Smallest. Welcome to my room. This is the one. Hopefully. This doesn't have a grip. This actually works. I'm actually going to be infuriated. This is actually working. Oh, it's going to kill me later. I'm not screwing this all the way in. Why are you so deep in, bro? I'm getting another screwdriver that's like close to this. This thing is gonna drive me crazy. I'd be chipping this thing, but I don't actually care. As long as it keeps my sanity. But I might actually use this tiny Phillips head. Not gonna lie. Because what's the difference? Besides it's working anyways. Okay. I'm almost done with this.
Move behind me, move. I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit on it.
Huh? I actually probably... Where did this thing go? I had it right there. Where did I move this? Please don't tell me to throw it out. Oh, here it is. One singular battery. 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 Okay. Yeah, you're on.
Don't drink on it.
Okay. I have the battery on. I'm looking at this boy. Installation of batteries. Remove the battery compartment. Where the heck is the battery compartment on this thing? We're going on the manhunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Like, where's? Oh, it's in the back, I think. Bro, I don't even see this. It's a battery compartment. That's a Velcro strip right there. That means it's close. Right about there. Found it. Like, where the heck is this thing? What the heck is going on in here? See some... Oh, what the hell? It's like Velcro's coming off. What the heck? This thing is not wanting to come off. calm out, bro. Ah! Oh, actually. Is this gold in here? No. Why does it smell like sushi in here? It smells like actual sushi. Bro, eating sushi on the job? Please don't tell me I have to do a screw. Thank God. So 4 double A. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got the batteries. Oof. Jarvis, open mask. Jarvis, close mask. Jarvis, power down. Okay. Jarvis, enter sentry mode. Am I stupid or something? I might have said the wrong. Jarvis. Open mask. Jarvis. Close. Jarvis. Close mask. I don't want to do that. What? Bro, this is me flossing in my eyes. Okay, when I'm putting this thing on, I'm actually going to have to, like, open the mask before I put... Jarvis. Close mask. Jarvis. Close mask. Jarvis. Hello there. Open mask. Close mask. Good job. Jarvis. No! Close mask. I don't know why this keeps on opening the mask. Open mask. Like, don't. No! Jarvis. Close mask. Close mask. Jarvis. Close mask. Jarvis. Close mask. Jarvis. Close mask. There we go. What the heck is this? Jarvis. Close mask. Jarvis. Open mask. Jarvis. Close mask. I love this thing already. That thing's expensive. No! I didn't say open mask. Close mask. Good job.
Johnny was.
No, I know what. Travis, close mask. I gotta figure out the remote. So, Travis, close mask.
He was still out. We didn't get home yet.
Travis,
We went to that CVS and they
open mask.
walked the whole store. And
This thing's so epic.
hidden in the back was a ton of chapstick
Travis,
with candy canes on.
close mask.
So I did chapstick. Some of the brands aren't on sale, so I left them.
That's so epic. I'm probably gonna be playing with this thing for like
When we returned,
a lot of the video, so just be aware of that. Oh wait, I just forgot. I'm on a time crunch.
they're not putting it in
So,
the holiday stuff.
just listening for part 3.
Check in the back. So I think it's like,
Thanks for watching, and
yeah.
see you in part 3.
Yeah, I wrote-
Bye!